to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will be showing you how to open a new job card. From the dashboard, to create a new job card, click on the new job card icon from the bottom left of the page. This option is available only for the admin and service advisor logins. We have 4 sections in this page. To begin with, we have the vehicle details, followed by the customer complaints, customer details, and the advance amount. Let's begin by entering the vehicle registration number and the vehicle particulars. As you can see, we are providing option for temporarily registered vehicles as well. The system also provides all the state codes. We will enter the odometer number and average kilometers per day. By entering the odometer and average kilometers per day, our system automatically calculates 5,000 kilometers and sends out a service reminder SMS to your customer. The VIN number and the engine number fields are optional. We will now enter the vehicle type. Just by entering a couple of characters of the vehicle, you will find a drop-down of all the vehicles related to that particular model. Just select one and you will see the make, model, year and variant fields have been populated. By providing the make, model, year and variant, you will be able to procure the right part for the vehicle. Now select the vehicle color, fuel type, service type, and service advisor's name if applicable. In the service advisor's login, their name will be auto-populated in this field. But in the admin login, you can select and assign the vehicle to that particular service advisor. In the next section, we will be entering the customer concerns or complaints. As you start using the Autorox software, the system picks the top 5 frequently entered customer complaints and shows it to you below the text bar. You can choose from them or manually enter the complaints. The customer concerns or complaints entered in this section will be displayed in the work order. Next, we will be adding the customer details. Enter the customer name and click on the plus icon to add the customer address. The state field in the address section is mandatory. All the other fields are optional. Select the state and close the pop-up. Enter the customer's mobile number and the estimated date of delivery. In the last section, if you have received an advance amount from the customer, that payment can be entered here. By clicking on Give Estimation Later, a new job card opens, and by clicking on Prepare Estimation Now, you will be directed to the estimation page. In both the cases, when you go back to the dashboard, you can see the status of the job card is now in estimate status. This is how you successfully open and enter a new job card. Thank you for watching.